Hello everyone! Maayong adlaw! While we're on our way to Eugene, we stopped by at Amqua Ice Cream in Rice Hill. It's a sunny day, perfect for our favorite bubblegum ice cream. They're open every day except Saturday, so we made it just in time. There are many sizes of ice cream available. There is 1 layer, 2 layer, or up to 6 layers of ice cream. They offers up to 35 flavors of Amqua's creamy, locally made ice cream with a total of 38 flavors available depending on rotation. Popular flavors include classics like vanilla, chocolate, and chocolate peanut butter, alongside unique options like marionberry, bubblegum, espresso blast, pistachio almond, coconut cream, triple chocolate, black walnut, and wild blackberry. All sounds so delicious, but our most favorite is bubblegum. So we order not one but 2 layers of bubblegum ice cream. My husband and I sit inside the car, savoring every moment of this indulgent experience. We're transported back to blowing bubbles as kids, carefree and full of wonder, yet here we are grown adults reveling in the same silly joy. My husband and I, with our towering double layered cones, are proof that this flavor isn't just a dessert. It's an adventure, a shared moment, a reason to smile. Treat yourself to this quirky delight. Thank you for watching. Bye!